Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Dismantling a La-Z-Boy recliner sofa is a simple task that makes moving much easier. Most of these sofas are built with modular parts. You do not need many tools for this job. A flathead screwdriver and a socket wrench are usually enough. Start by tilting the sofa forward so the back faces up. Locate the fabric flap on the rear base. Lift the Velcro or unhook the snaps to see the inner frame. You will see metal brackets on each side. These brackets have small locking levers. Use your screwdriver to flip these levers upward. Once the levers are released, stand behind the sofa. Pull the backrest straight up and away from the base. If your sofa has a center console, look for the metal pins. Lift the console section to slide it out of the side brackets. To take apart the base, turn the unit over completely. Look for the bolts holding the reclining mechanism. Use your wrench to loosen these bolts carefully. Watch out for the heavy springs under the seat. They can snap back quickly. Keep all your hardware in a labeled plastic bag. This prevents losing small screws during your move. If you need to remove the footrest, unscrew the side hinges. Always work on a soft surface like a rug. This prevents scratches on your floor or the leather. Now your sofa is in smaller, lighter pieces. You can fit it through narrow hallways or doors with ease. This entire process takes only about 15 minutes of your time. Your La-Z-Boy is now fully dismantled and ready for transport and storage.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.